In this video, let's explore a comprehensive list of common modes of transportation. Are you ready? Let's go!
Yes, she went to China! Oh, DD, oh, what it is? Oh, DD, what it is?
This is a garbage truck. It is specially designed to collect and transport household and industrial waste from cities and neighborhoods. With its powerful hydraulic system and large storage compartment, it helps keep streets clean and supports modern sanitation services every day. This is a container train. It is built to transport large shipping containers across long distances quickly and efficiently. These powerful freight trains connect ports, factories, and inland cities, playing an important role in global trade and modern logistics systems. This is a fire truck. It is an emergency vehicle equipped with water pumps, ladders, hoses, and rescue tools for firefighting operations. Fire trucks respond rapidly to fires, accidents, and disasters, helping firefighters protect lives, buildings, and communities. This is a dump truck. It is a heavy-duty construction vehicle designed to carry and unload materials such as sand, gravel, dirt, and rocks. Its hydraulic bed can tilt backward for quick unloading, making it essential for mining, road building, and construction projects. This is a fire command vehicle. It is used by fire department leaders to coordinate emergency operations during fires and disasters. Equipped with communication systems, computers, and monitoring equipment, it helps commanders manage rescue teams and make critical decisions quickly. This is a steam locomotive. It is a classic railway engine powered by steam generated from heated water and forward moving fuel. Famous for its loud whistle and historic design, the steam locomotive played a major role in the development of transportation during the 19th century. This is a police car. It is a specially equipped law enforcement vehicle used for patrolling streets, responding to emergencies, and chasing suspects. Police cars often feature sirens, flashing lights, radios, and protective equipment to help officers maintain public safety. This is a container ship. It is one of the largest cargo vessels in the world, designed to carry thousands of shipping containers across oceans. Container ships transport goods between countries efficiently, making them a key part of international trade and global supply chains. This is an airport rescue truck. It is a specialized emergency vehicle used at airports to respond to aircraft accidents and fires. Equipped with powerful water cannons, foam systems, and rescue tools, it can quickly handle aviation emergencies and protect passengers and crews. This is Big Airplane. They are large aircraft designed to transport hundreds of passengers or massive amounts of cargo across long distances. Modern big airplanes feature advanced engines, comfortable cabins, and high-speed travel, connecting countries around the world. This is a sea ambulance. It is a medical rescue boat designed to transport injured or sick people across coastal waters and islands. Equipped with emergency medical equipment and trained crews, sea ambulances provide fast assistance during marine accidents and emergencies. This is a UAV. Also known as an unmanned aerial vehicle or drone, it can fly without a pilot on board. UAVs are used for surveillance, mapping, delivery, photography, agriculture, and military operations, offering advanced technology and efficient aerial capabilities. This is a high-speed train. It is a modern railway vehicle designed to travel at extremely fast speeds while providing comfort and safety for passengers. High-speed trains reduce travel time between major cities and are widely used in countries with advanced rail networks. This is a concrete mixer truck. It is designed to transport and mix concrete while traveling to construction sites. Its rotating drum keeps the concrete fresh and ready for use, making the vehicle essential for building roads, bridges, skyscrapers, and other structures. This is a tow truck. It is used to move damaged, broken down, or illegally parked vehicles from roads and highways. Equipped with hooks, winches, or flatbeds, tow trucks provide roadside assistance and help keep traffic flowing safely and efficiently. This is an ambulance. It is an emergency medical vehicle used to transport injured or sick patients to hospitals quickly and safely. Ambulances are equipped with life-saving medical tools, stretchers, and trained paramedics who provide urgent care during emergencies. This is a rescue helicopter. It is used for emergency missions such as medical evacuation, mountain rescue, disaster response, and search operations. Rescue helicopters can reach difficult locations quickly, making them extremely valuable during life-threatening situations. This is a cruise ship. It is a large luxury passenger vessel designed for vacations and entertainment at sea. Cruise ships offer restaurants, swimming pools, theaters, shopping areas, and comfortable cabins while traveling between famous tourist destinations worldwide. This is a container truck. It is a heavy transport vehicle designed to carry shipping containers between ports, warehouses, and factories. Container trucks are essential for land transportation in global trade, helping move goods safely and efficiently over highways. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to watch more new videos. Thanks for watching.